Cabinet of Curiosities series started when I found a dead dragonfly on the beach. I took it home, studied it, and then drew it on a blown-up scale. From the Cabinet of Curiosities series, I've then created the Symmetry of Nature. I wanted to draw attention to these insects by drawing them at a large scale to show the importance that they have in the ecosystem. I've been a visual artist for a year and a half full-time, with the goal to give back to the natural world. 5% of my sales goes to seaports protecting parks and wilderness in Canada, areas that inspire me most. I hope that my work not only brings a bit of beauty from the outside into our homes, rewilds ourselves a little in the process too. To love it helps us protect it.